Imagine a world where each person is a unique puzzle piece, possessing distinct strengths, aspirations, and viewpoints. Picture these pieces coming together to create a complete image, symbolizing a team united by a single vision. This exemplifies group cohesion, the essence that binds diverse individuals to work in harmony towards mutual goals. In our fast paced world, grasping the nuances of group cohesion is indispensable, serving as the cornerstone for team efficacy and individual fulfillment. But what fuels this dynamic force? Elements like shared objectives, effective communication, and mutual respect are crucial. The fabric of a cohesive team is woven from every member's contributions and interactions, thereby nurturing a space where cooperation prospers and innovation emerges. Join us as we delve into the narrative of group cohesion, highlighting its impact on team dynamics and providing insights into enhancing cohesion within any group. Embark on this journey with us to understand the transformative power of unity in fostering optimized team performance and elevating individual satisfaction. Diving deeper into the profound impact of group cohesion, we've discovered its significant role in streamlining team processes and uplifting member satisfaction. This synergy not only elevates performance, but also promotes a sense of value, understanding, and belonging amongst individuals, driving them towards a unified mission. Through examples, let's illustrate these points. Consider a tech company where cohesive project teams exceed expectations, achieving milestones with inventive solutions. Here, cohesion is the driving force behind creativity and support. Likewise, in healthcare, teams of nurses with strong cohesion experience, heightened job satisfaction, and superior patient care outcomes. These stories underline the fact that group cohesion's value transcends figures, enriching the human experience at work by boosting collective and personal achievements. Moving forwards, we'll introduce practical strategies to cultivate this precious asset within your teams, emphasizing that enhancing group cohesion is a rewarding, albeit challenging, voyage. Throughout this exploration, we've acknowledged the essential role and tangible benefits of group cohesion. Approaching the journey's end, we focus on the critical strategies to foster this unity. Effective leadership transcends mere authority. It acts as a guiding light towards collective efficiency and harmony. Promoting open dialogues, celebrating shared successes, and facing challenges collectively are the foundations of a united team. Embracing continuous improvement guides our path, with the understanding that striving for perfect cohesion is an ongoing endeavor. Leaders, HR professionals, and team members alike must undertake this journey with purpose and commitment. As we wrap up our discussion, remember, a team's strength is measured not by numbers, but by the depth of its unity. By adopting these strategies and leading with intent, we pave the way for the development of truly cohesive teams, characterized by common objectives and collective triumphs.